Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and I'm doing the 2018 Creators Blog Hop today, and we're looking at the Occasions catalog. And for this card, I'm going to be using Lovely Wishes. Well, my whole blog hop is on Lovely Wishes, but I'm also going to be using the narrow note cards that are also in the Occasions catalog. Now, the first one you saw that I did was the note card. And then this is just a smaller one. These cannot be sent through the mail unless you put them into an envelope like the note cards are in. But these are great for putting in a gift or just hand delivering it to somebody. So what I'm going to be using is, of course, I'm using Lovely Wishes. I'm going to be using the same three inks, Garden Green, Pear Pizzazz, and Flirty Flamingo. I am going to use the narrow note cards and envelopes. And again, I am going to use the Stamparatus here, okay? I told you all about that, and oops, dropped one. I told you all about that in one of the, in my first card. So what I'm going to do is let's get the, so I'm going to set up this. I'm just going to put it over. Ah! No. Had a little ink on my hands. Sorry. So I'm going to set it up. These go straight up and down, remember. They you can't go in crooked. They have to go straight up and down. Okay, so I am just going to do this and the saying, right, like this. And I'm going to do those in Garden Green, so I'm just going to pick them up. And again, I'm taking this off because my Garden Green is a little curved and I don't want to put that much pressure on it. And since I've been getting it all over my hands, let's just wipe this off so my next one isn't all greenish like that one was. Okay, so then I'm just putting that back in there, and there we go. And then I am going to put this right here and use Pear Pizzazz on that. Just stick that down. I should really get all those new. There. And I'm going to flip this one around. And okay, so the card is finished. Isn't that a cute card? Just fold it in. And again, you have to hand this to somebody. So since it's not going to go through the mail, what you can do is you can decorate the front of the card. I'm just going to take, or the envelope. So I'm just going to take the saying off. And I'm going to put this down like that. And I am going to ink this up again. Oh, let's take that off. Mary, get a new pad. no wonder. Ha, that's Pear Pizzazz. I was wondering, that's awful light. Well, you know what you can do? There you go. Let's take that off. You thought it'd take a while. Yeah, right like that. Then now put the Pear Pizzazz over here. Oh no, one of my little flowers fell off. Those little ones, when I wipe them, they just don't want to stay on the, but your teeny tiny wishes to do really well in here. It's wet and it's not wanting to stay. There we go. Put this one back, right in the corner. And there we go. I got it upside down. Oh well, sorry. So then you can put the person's name there. Where is it? And then just stick the card right inside. So this was our first, this is our second, and guess what will be our third? Anyhow, I just want to thank you for stopping by the 2018 Creators Blog Hop and for visiting me. And I'll have one more card here shortly. Thanks. Bye-bye.